Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the foothills iron ingot in Windrose. First of all, you'll need a copper pickaxe to mine the iron ore, which is necessary to craft the iron ingots. This is going to require you to find the foothills biome and locate this kind of a giant rock formation which has some poor iron ore inside of it. Or the second option is to find a natural quarry which looks like a giant hole and has some rock formations around it. Once you've done that and gathered enough of iron ore, go ahead and travel back to your base. Once you're back at your base, go to the charcoal kiln and make some charcoal. Then in the smelting furnace, you'll see the foothills iron ingot recipe and go ahead and craft it. On this you'll need 3 iron ores and 1 charcoal. This is pretty much all how to get the iron ingot in Windrose. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.